Hello and welcome to the Ohio Department of Taxation's Information Guide series. Today we will be discussing Notice ID 4001, the Non-Remittance Billing Notice. The notice presented here may look slightly different from the one you receive in the mail, but the information provided on the notice is the same. If you receive a non-remittance billing notice, this simply means that you filed a return with a tax due and we have not received full payment for that amount. As you open the letter, it will say in the top center of the page the tax year, the type of tax, and that it is a non-remittance billing notice. As you move down the page on the left-hand side, you will see your name and address, the notice ID number, and a statement telling you that we have not received full payment for the amount due. On the right-hand side, you will see the date of the letter, the last four digits of your Social Security number, and a batch processing number. And finally, in the upper right-hand corner, you have the contact information for the Ohio Department of Taxation, including our address, our fax number, a toll-free phone number, and our website. Next on the sheet is a statement that tells when the payment was originally due, and explains that interest and penalties are calculated on the billing notice. Beneath this statement, you have a breakdown of the billing notice. This includes the original tax due amount, any partial payments that were applied, the interest, a late payment penalty, and if applicable, a late filing penalty, with the total amount due and the due date in the bottom of the box. Next, your non-remittance billing notice explains how to respond if you have already submitted a payment. If you already made a partial payment or full payment that is not reflected on the notice, you will need to submit a copy of the front and back of the canceled check or money order, or provide the electronic payment confirmation number, which will be a 6 or 15-digit number, depending on how you made the payment. You will want to send or fax your proof in with a copy of the first page of your non-remittance billing notice. The fax number and address are provided in the box or in the top right-hand corner of the non-remittance billing notice. The next section gives information on different ways you can submit payments. Available on our website at tax.ohio.gov, you can make payments using an electronic check or credit card. You can also make payments using the official payments hotline or website, available by calling 1-800-272-9829 or at officialpayments.com. If you are having problems using any of these areas, you can check our website as we have detailed instructions on making a payment and the prompts you will have to go through on the telephone or online. You may also call our toll-free number for more information or to speak with an agent. If you are mailing a check or money order, the address is provided on the right-hand side of the box, and a payment voucher is included at the bottom of the page. The Ohio Department of Taxation is not authorized to set up formal payment plans. If you are unable to pay the full amount, we do suggest making partial payments. The next section asks for a contact phone number where you can be reached during the hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It is not required but suggested that you include a phone number so that if we have questions or are unable to find the payment, we may contact you for more information. The next statement explains that if you do not respond or make a payment within the next 20 days, the bill becomes an assessment. An assessment is a legal billing notice and will include additional interest and penalties and be sent through certified mail, meaning that you will have to sign for the notice. For self-help, you can visit our website where this presentation is available, as well as an electronic document of the non-remittance billing notice with direct links to the specific websites for the information. Different ways to contact the Ohio Department of Taxation are listed below. If you do respond but do not remit full payment or provide proof of full payment, our billing process will continue and the account will still be eligible to become an assessment after the 20 days. Next on the non-remittance billing notice is the payment voucher. If you are sending a check or money order, please include this payment voucher. If you're going to make partial payments, you can make copies of the payment voucher and send in each check or money order with a copy of the payment voucher until you pay the bill in full or receive an assessment notice. If you do receive an assessment notice, it will include a new payment voucher for you to use and the non-remittance billing notice voucher should no longer be used. On the voucher, you will find your name and the last four digits of your Social Security number on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you will find the total amount still owed and a place for you to write the amount of the payment you are submitting in case you are only making a partial payment. On the left-hand side, again, we have the address of where to send your payment. The second page of the notice has more detailed instructions on how to use official payments. Making a payment over the phone prompts you to select state taxes. It will ask for a jurisdiction code, which is 6446 for Ohio, and follow the additional instructions for selecting the billing notice payments, notice ID 4001, and the tax year of the non-remittance billing notice. Official Payments charges a 2.5% convenience fee of the payment amount you are submitting or a $1 service charge, whichever is greater. This will provide a confirmation number, and you should have a pen and paper ready so that you can write down the number. You will get a confirmation number once you have completed the payment process, regardless of whether you submit payment over the phone or through the website. Next is a paragraph that explains again that the Ohio Department of Taxation is not authorized to set up formal payment plans. We do encourage you to make partial payments and will apply those to the balance due. You are able to make partial payments using any of the methods already described, such as sending it in with a voucher, making a payment over the phone, or online through our website or official payments. Partial payments, however, will not stop the billing process. Even though you may faithfully be making partial payments on your balance due, it is still eligible to become an assessment and be turned over to the Attorney General's office for collection after the date given to make full payment. The next two sections describe the specific Ohio Revised Code law applicable to charging interest and penalties on taxes owed, and describes briefly how the tax rates are calculated. For more information on the laws, tax rates, and calculations, visit tax.ohio.gov, where you can read the Ohio Revised Code and find tax rates and more information on penalties and interest charged. Again, on our electronic version of the notice, available in our self-help section, you will have direct links to this information in the Ohio Revised Code. This concludes the Non-Remittance Billing Notice Information Guide. Should you have any other questions, visit tax.ohio.gov or call us at 1-888-405-4091. Thank you.